Hi guys, it's Jamie from Everon. Today we're going to look at one of the recent power apps we've created that's going to replace those old pen and paper based visitor sign-in sheets. So those old pen and paper based books and sign-in sheets that people use, technically not GDPR compliant. Obviously everybody can see everybody else's details and there's no security set in them. So what we've done is we've gone out and created a digital sign-in visitor sheet system in Microsoft Power Apps, which addresses that GDPR compliance and security issues. So this demo today is just going to show you how it looks, how it works, and just give you an idea of kind of how we set it up. Obviously, the idea of Power Apps is you could go out and tailor this, tweak it, or kind of make it fit your current process or any kind of requirements you have internally. So looking at the sign-in sheet or the kind of login sheet, when a visitor signs in or arrives at your company, they'll be met with this screen and they'll be prompted to fill in the information boxes for easy identification. Once the sign-in is submitted, a Teams message is automatically sent to the host of the meeting to let them know that that visitor has arrived in reception or wherever your waiting area might be. And after this, they're taken back to the main menu where they can no longer see their own information or anybody else that's signed in during. When the visitor is ready to sign out, they simply fill in their email address to bring back up their record, then click the sign out button to finish the sign out. There's also an admin section that we've built into the app that lets people see who's currently signed into the system. This could be used for things like a fire assembly register in the event of a fire or an evacuation, or even for marketing. If you have people come in and they fill out their details and they've opted into marketing, you could use these to populate marketing lists. You can also look at people that have signed in and out, and you can go back and view historical sign-ins and sign-outs as well. There's also a security section that allows you to add other admins so that they can access the admin section in the account, and it isn't just going to be the one person maybe on reception. It could be a management team and that kind of stuff. If you have any questions or interested in having a Power App built or using a Power App like this with your system, please don't hesitate to contact us and we can let you know the steps involved.